Every third poster you see is created using a secret technique. So first things first, let's head over to Freepik. Once you're on the site, just type poster in the search bar. You will see a ton of options pop up, but now you have to choose a set type PSD. Browse sort, and when you find one you like, click on it. You will often have the choice between free and premium templates, so keep that in mind. For example, I will choose this. Once you picked your template, hit that download button. Now, let's jump into Photoshop. Open your downloaded template and you will see all the layers in the Layers panel. This is where the magic happens. Start customizing by selecting the text layers. Change the text to fit your event or theme. Next, you can swap any images in the template by double-clicking on the image layer. This will open the linked file where you can paste your own image. Resize and adjust as needed. It's all about making it own. I just make the poster for music evening in front of your eyes. It's so easy to make professional looking posters when you have the right tools and resources at your fingertips. And hey, if you want more design tips and tricks, don't forget to check out my author tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy shooting!